How to block ads on Android. Now, in order to block ads on Android, there is no inbuilt feature in the Android device. In order to block ads, if that feature is available, it will automatically come with an ad blocker on Android directly, but that is not available. The one thing that you can do is to customize the ad that you will get rather than blocking it completely. Now, if you want to block it, it is possible, but only through the third-party sources or applications that you can get into the Google Play Store. Now, if you want to personalize the ads that you get, just simply go over settings and search for ad setting in there. Then a lot of options will appear. You just simply need to select security and privacy section, and from here you need to tap to the ad section, and in this page you will see the settings like ad privacy, delete advertising ID, reset advertising. You need to reset your advertising to make it default. Then after that, most of the data about the ad privacy will be default, and from here you need to enable this personalized service, which will help you to not get the unnecessary ad, and you will only see those ads which you can benefit from. So this is how you can get rid of the ads. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.